Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. I am Lisa Susanti, and I am the moderator. Before we begin, I will I would like to introduce group. Our presentation for today are from six group about the hospitalizing and simple present tense. My group as Erlansa, as Mr. Gomez, Nia Yunita as Valen, and Sri Erwati as Pelis. Diulang ya, maaf. Hospitalizing, nurse responsibility, conversation, accepting a new patient, language focus, modal, playing a role, medical English vocabulary, reading a text. A nurse responsibility, 1. Observing the information of the new patient. 2. Introducing self. 3. Taking the patient to the room. 4. Asking the patient change into pajamas. 5. Putting the patient identity ID bracelet. 6. Explaining the patient how to use the nurse call. 7. Directing where the bathroom and other facility are. 8. Asking if the patient needs help and assistance. B. Conversation. Accepting a new patient. Pelis is transferred from emergency room ER to VIP room ER. Udah. Yang tadi. Kenapa dikeluarin? Good morning. Ayo jawab.
Good morning. Is the patient for emergency room?
Yes, she is. She is Pelis. She is with her partner, Mr. Gomez. She suffers typhus.
All right. Hello, Felice and Mr. Gomez. I'm Nurse Fallon. Welcome in the VIP ward. We have prepared the room, include the facilities. I hope you will feel comfortable, and if you need any help, I'll be here to do you know I will take you to room 3.
I almost forget. This is the medical record. Please take care of her will.
Yes, of course. Let me see.
The VIP nurse read the medical record.
All right, Felice.
That right, nurse.
Well, now I shall go back to my room, nurse. Mr. Gomez, your doctor, and don't worry, the nurse will take care of your doctor well.
Thank you, nurse. Yes, of course. I have no worry because I trust you all will take care of my daughter well.
Here is VIP 3 Felice and Mr. Gomez. Welcome. You may look around to know where everything is. Later, I'll come back and ask you some question.
Okay, nurse. Thank you.
This is the pajamas. Felice, you have to wear this.
Okay, nurse. Father, can you help me to wear this?
Yes, of course.
Well, I'll take the infusion set while you change her clothes. Mana nggak keluar ya. The nurse leaves to prepare the infusion set while Felice is helped by her father wear the pajamas. A few minutes later, the nurse come back with the infusion set. VIP nurse, all right, have you had your pajamas on?
Yes, I have nurse.
All right. Now I will apply the infusion, but before it will put on this identity bracelet on your wrist.
Okay, nurse.
Okay, it's finished. Now I will do please lie down here.
Yeah, sure.
Nggak keluar ya. Dah. Felis lies down on the bed. The nurse applies the infusion set. Okay, it is set. Hopefully you feel comfortable here. We will try our best to give you a good treatment so you can get well soon. Amin.
Amin. Thank you, nurse.
No worries, sir. This is my duty to provide the best service for all customers in this hospital. Here the nurse call. Just press the button if you need some help.
Okay, nurse.
There is a refrigerator on the left side on the corner and there are TV set and air conditioner.
Okay, nurse. By the way, where are the remote control for EC and TV set?
I'm sorry, help they are. The bathroom is over there on the right side. Do you need help to go the bathroom, Felice?
Don't worry, I help her, nurse.
Nah ini yang all right. Is there anything else you need?
No thanks. I call you if I need help, nurse.
Okay, then I'll go back to my room. I'll be back here to check everything after you lunch.
Okay.
Don't he said to call me whenever you need help or assistance.
Okay, nurse. Thank you very much. Pak, percakapan menerima pasien baru. Felis dipindahkan dari ruang gawat darurat UGD ke ruang VIP oleh perawat UGD. Perawat VIP yang bertanggung jawab menyambut mereka. Perawat R, selamat pagi. Perawat VIP, selamat pagi. Apakah dia pasien baru dari R? Perawat R, ya benar. Dia Felis, dia bersama ayahnya. Tuan Gomez, dia menderita tipes. Perawat VIP, baiklah. Halo Felis dan Mr. Gomez, saya perawat Valen. Selamat datang di Bangsal VIP. Kami sudah menyiapkan kamar termasuk semua fasilitas. Saya harap Anda akan merasa nyaman dan jika Anda memerlukan bantuan, saya akan berada di sini untuk membantu Anda. Sekarang saya akan membawa Anda ke kamar 3. Perawat R, saya hampir lupa, ini adalah rekam medis. Tolong jaga dia dengan baik. Perawat VIP, ya tentu saja, izinkan aku melihat. Perawat PIP membaca catatan medis. Perawat PIP, baiklah Felis Gomez, 11 tahun. Felis, perawat yang benar. Perawat R, baiklah, sekarang saya harus kembali ke kamar perawat. Tuan Gomez, semoga putri Anda akan segera membaik dan jangan khawatir, perawat akan merawat putri Anda dengan baik. Bapak Gomez, terima kasih perawat. Ya tentu saja, saya tidak khawatir karena saya percaya Anda semua akan merawat anak saya dengan baik. Perawat VIP, ini VIP 3, Felis dan Mr. Gomez, selamat datang. Anda mungkin melihat sekeliling untuk mengetahui di mana segala sesuatu berada. Nanti saya akan kembali dan menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan kepada Anda, Felis. Oke, perawat, terima kasih. Perawat Pip, ini piyama Felis, kamu harus pakai ini. Felis, oke perawat, ayah bisakah kamu bantu saya memakai ini? Mr. Gomez, ya tentu saja. Perawat Pip, ya saya akan mengambil infus set saat Anda mengganti pakaiannya. Perawat pergi untuk menyiapkan set infus sementara Felis dibantu oleh ayahnya mengganti piyama. Beberapa menit kemudian perawat kembali dengan set infus.
Oke,
Perawat
next
Pip,
aja ke language focus. Next slide. Next slide. Language focus. Okay, come on.
Language focus model. Basic model. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Can do it, could do it, had better be it, may do it, might do it, must do it, ought to do it, shall do it. Sudah selesai belum? Will do it, would do it.
Models do not take to take as final even when the subject is he or it. Correct, he can do it. Incorrect, he can't do it. Model are followed in immediately by the simple form of a verb. Correct, he can do it. Incorrect, he can do it, or he can does it, or she can did it. Color aja. Request by modals. My I could I. My I, please borrow your book. Could I borrow your book, please? My I and could I are equally polite. Can I is usually considered a little less polite than my I or could I. Can I, typical response. Can I borrow your book? Typical response, say certainly, yes, certainly, of course, yes, of. Would you open the door for me, please? Will you please open the door for me? Would you is more common and is considered more polite. Can you is often used informally. Could you open the door for me, please? Can you please open the door for me? It's usually sound less polite than could you or would you. Typical responses: yes, I would be happy to, or be glad to. Certainly, sure, informal. Would you mind asking permission? Would you mind if I close the door? Would you mind if I borrow your pen? Typical responses: no, not At all, or of course not. No, that would be fine. Would you mind if is followed by the simple past tense? Asking someone to do something. Would you mind close the door? Excuse me. Would you mind helping me to do this? Typical response: no, I'd be happy to. Not at all. I'll be glad to. Sure or okay. Informal. Would you mind is followed by ing jiran. D. Practice playing a role. Make a group of four and make a conversation in a situation of accepting a new patient. Practice the conversation and perform it. A. Medical English vocabulary. Here is some essential vocabulary for nurse and medical professionals. Simple past tense. Simple past tense is a simple form of verb to show fact of past event. In simple past tense, the time of occurrence, yesterday, the last today, and last year's, or the time period for 2 months, for 1 day, for 1 hour, can be adjusted specifically. Rumus simple past tense. Subject I, you, they, we, she, he, it. Infinitive study, by, breathe. Verb 2 studied, spoke, broke, was. And you, they, we, be. And verb 2 were. Rumus simple past tense, kalimat positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. Rumus simple past tense, kalimat positif. Subject, verb, to past tense, subject, be, was, or were. Example, I visit my grandmother home last night. The book was on the table last night. Next, kalimat negatif, subject, did, not, bare infinity, subject, be, was, or were. I didn't visit my grandmother's house last night. The book was not on the table last night. Kalimat interrogatif, did, subject, bare infinitive, be, was, or were, plus subject. Did I visit my grandmother's house last night? Was the book on the table last night?
Time expression pada simple past tense. Berikut beberapa time expression, keterangan waktu yang terdapat pada simple past tense. Yesterday, kemarin. Last night, week, month, year, time. Semalam, minggu lalu, tahun lalu, waktu yang lalu. This morning, pagi. 1 hour, day, week, month, year ago. 1 jam, hari Minggu, bulan, tahun lalu. In January, on Saturday, when plus subject plus verb to. When he arrived, when I was stuck in traffic jam. Exercise simple past tense.